everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some absolutely breathtaking interior design inspiration. Whether you're dreaming of luxurious modern elegance or cozy, tranquil minimalism, these spaces are sure to get your creativity flowing. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the art of modern luxury living. When it comes to creating a space that truly captivates, every detail matters, from the statement lighting to the art on the walls. These spaces are designed to evoke a sense of grandeur and style while still feeling inviting and comfortable. One of the most striking elements in modern luxury design is the bold contrast between rich, dark tones and warm, earthy neutrals. Whether it's plush velvet upholstery, sleek marble accents, or metallic lighting fixtures, the combination of textures and colors elevates the entire ambiance. And let's not forget those stunning abstract art pieces that draw your eye and set the tone for the room. Bold, dramatic, and undeniably chic, they add that unmistakable touch of personality and creativity. Texture plays a massive role in creating that luxurious, high-end feel. Think soft velvet sofas, glossy marble surfaces, and textured wall finishes that create dimension and depth. There's something about mixing smooth, reflective surfaces with plush, cozy fabrics that makes a space feel both sophisticated and welcoming. Metallic accents like gold and brass add that pop of glam without overwhelming the design, while subtle lighting choices soften the overall look. Statement chandeliers with cascading crystal or geometric glass shapes become not just functional lighting, but also mesmerizing focal points. One of the most captivating aspects of these designs is how they seamlessly connect with nature. Massive floor-to-ceiling windows blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, framing breathtaking views of lush greenery or sprawling cityscapes. This creates a feeling of openness while maintaining that intimate, cozy atmosphere. And the color palettes? You'll notice how natural tones like sandy beige, deep green, and rich burgundy mimic elements from the landscape, creating harmony and balance. It's all about blending the tranquility of nature with the refined luxury of modern interiors. Now, let's talk about those bold, attention-grabbing elements. Whether it's a massive abstract painting with metallic accents or a geometric chandelier dripping with glass prisms, these pieces anchor the room and give it that signature wow factor. They set the mood, whether it's moody and dramatic or light and airy. The beauty of these designs is that they're not just beautiful, they're purposeful. Every element, from the sculptural light fixtures to the plush seating arrangements, is carefully curated to enhance the atmosphere and make the space feel complete. If there's one thing to take away from these spaces, it's that luxury isn't just about expensive materials or extravagant features. It's about thoughtful design that balances comfort, style, and personal expression. Whether you're inspired to go bold with rich hues and dramatic lighting, or keep it soft and serene with natural textures and earthy tones, the possibilities are endless. Let us know in the comments which aesthetic speaks to you the most. Are you into dark and moody sophistication, or do you prefer light, airy elegance? I hope our style fits your home, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.